guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Brianna and today we are doing a room tour, and it's my room tour and we're in my room, so hope you guys enjoy. This is where you first enter my room. As you can see, this is like the door right there that leads to my room. So I got nice wood floors here. I got a nice little rug. I got that from Walmart. It's a gray like fuzzy rug. Right now I haven't vacuumed it, so it looks a little bit crazy. This is my bed. I used to have a twin size bed, but now in here I have a queen size bed, and I like it. It's a nice bed, and I got this whole entire bed set sheet stuff from Walmart, because you know Walmart has good deals. And I got the pillows also from Walmart. I love that one in the middle, the one with the elephant with the gold accents. I need to get some little gold accents to have around my room. So, but I like the bed, and this is like really soft, absolutely soft, and I love it. And then on this wall, it's just like my walls are like gray, and I have this nice like frame. I got that from some store that sells like frames. I think it was called Kirkland. I don't know, I think that's what it's called. And I have lights. I got these off Amazon. All these lights. I'll leave the link down below if anybody wants these lights. I got 2 of them, so I could put them all over my room like this. I just have to tape that box because I don't have tape, and it looks a little bit odd right now, but don't mind that. And yeah, I just put all these lights everywhere. And yeah, on this wall I have my fave Alex Morgan, because I like Alex Morgan. I like soccer, and I don't know, I've had her up there for a long time. So yeah, she's right there. And this is my window. Got white curtains. And then over here I've got this that says imperfection is beauty, madness is genius, and it's better to be absolutely ridiculous than absolutely boring. And I really liked it, so I got it. I don't remember where, but you can find them somewhere. I don't know. And then over here, this is like my nightstand, by the way. It looks like this. You know, got all my cables and chargers and messes over there and whatnot. So I got my laptop here, cause yeah. And I got my favorite candle. This is actually not my candle. I just grabbed it from downstairs because I like it and it smells really good. I got it from Bath and Body Works. It's a cinnamon caramel swirl, and it smells so good. I really like it. Alright, in this drawer I got some random like electronic stuff that looks like, this is my remote for the lights, so I could like do this to the lights. I could like change the colors, the pattern of like how they work, which is pretty cool. I don't know. And I don't know, I really like them. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. So yeah, I got some random stuff like my Apple Watch, my Beats that are like broken. I put tape in there, like a little night light, because sometimes I like to plug in the light, but I don't know why I got it in there. My Apple Watch stuff, the box I got it in. And then in this drawer, we've got my Beats case, a little mini laptop in there, I think. And I've got this sparkly, like, how you call this, pocket? No, like handbag. I don't really know. And this is like all my crayons and stuff. Supplies. I would open it, but it's messy. You don't want to see that. And then in this drawer, I've got a camera, which is good for pictures. It's Canon EOS Rebel T6 by Canon. And I keep it in here because I don't know. And I got some random bag in there. I don't know. Oh, I don't know why this is not closing. There we go. Alright, then over here, I got, you know, an outlet to plug in stuff. And this is all my shoes. You can see that video that I posted about my shoes. And because I go over my shoes, I got some shoes. I also got these new Vans in there. And I don't know, this box is like really random. I put random stuff in there. I don't know. And I got all my shoes in here on this little rack. I got this rack off. I didn't get it online. I got it from IKEA, I think. Probably IKEA, yeah. Yeah. And then over here, this is like my drawer where I keep more clothes in here. And since I graduated, I got my cap up there that I decorated. It says "She is clothed in strength," and it's really pretty. I got some inspiration off Pinterest because Pinterest always helped me. And then I got this. Well, I didn't get this. My mom got this. And it says, "So the adventure begins." And yeah, that's it. I got all these drawers, clothes. And then over here, let's move into, oh, you can see me right there. Hey guys. And then over here you see my bed and everything. That's what it looks like. And over here is my, I don't know what to call this, like chest, I guess. I got my water bottle over there. I forgot to put it away. That I was drinking water. And I got all my lotions in here. Bath & Body Works. I love Bath & Body Works. I got this for Christmas. Some more lotion in here. I don't know. Oh, I use Proactive, but I'm running out, so I don't really use it as much. Some dry shampoo. Barely has either deodorant, because you need deodorant. Some perfume that I'm also running out on. Some random perfume in here, and this, and yeah. This is my jewelry box. Just keep necklaces, earrings, and stuff in there. And this drawer is just random stuff in there, and it's like, I don't know, it's really random. But yeah, over here is my makeup bag. It's really ugly and messy, and whatever stuff I have in there, some little pouches. I've got some earrings and more jewelry stuff that I keep in there. I don't really know. I have no idea why that says my name on it. I drew my name in there. I probably was like in 4th grade. And then I got this thing my mom gave me just so I don't mess up the wood, because this is wood and, you know, it gets messed up. So, but it already is kind of messed up, but look, it's okay. You know, it protects it a little bit. And then over here is like my door. It's, you know, it's a whole mess. You don't want to see all that. And this is my bag. I use this bag like every day, I guess. My brother got it for me. I love this bag. It's like, I love mini backpacks, and I use it like almost every day. I also got this like other mini backpack, and it's like, it's really cute and tiny, but I don't really wear it that often. I got anywhere, and this is just my towels, and I got a jacket back there, and a hoodie, and another purse over here. I don't know, purple purse over there. And this is my light switch to my light that's up there. And I don't really know what else to say. Oh yeah, over here, another window, as you can see. I got 2 windows, one over here and one over here. And this is just my hamper of my dirty clothes and more shoes that I keep in this bin because I don't have nowhere to put them. And over here I got a mirror that I could see myself. It's a long mirror, I don't know. And then here's my closet. You just got a sneak peek because it's a whole mess right now. Just it's dark. I'll show you from here up. it's a whole mess, you know. It's a mess. But yeah, I think that's it. Basically, that's my room. And yeah. Anyway, yeah guys, that's my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. There's not really much because my room is not that big. But yeah, this is my room. And this is where I chill and I sleep. And I'll probably do my next video. Just stay tuned for that. I know there will be another video coming soon. I have no idea what, but just stay in there. Make sure to give this video a big like and subscribe and comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video. Bye guys.